Welcome to Maths with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
This is the question for the section formula. So find the coordinates of the point which divide the join of these two in the given ratio. That means, suppose if I take a line segment like this, and we can call it as, suppose A, this is A I shall call, and B, and A is minus 1 comma 7, this is 4 comma minus 3. Let P be any point which is dividing this with the ratio 2:3. That is M1:M2 we have taken. So we can just introduce our data. Let PXY divides AB at 2:3. That means what all we are having here? A, that is minus 1, 7, call it as X1, Y1. B, 4 comma minus 3, call it as X2, Y2. M1:M2 is given as 2:3. That means M1 you call it as 2, M2 as 3. If you are okay with M and N1, you can apply that also as the formula. So now we directly move to the section formula here. So PXY, write the section formula given to you. M1 X2 plus M2 X1. If you want, even you can apply M and N also. M1 plus M2. This is M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2. Now, what is P of XY? We will get the value here. M1 is 2, right? What is X2? X2 is 4. Now, plus M2 is 3. X1 is minus 1. M1 plus M2, which is 2 plus 3. Similarly, once again, M1, 2. Y2 is minus 3. Plus 3 M2. Y1 is 7. This is again 2 plus 3. So, we can continue with the simplification. This will give you 8 minus 3 divided by 5. This is minus 6 plus 21 divided by 5. So, we can end up with the values of X. So, P X comma Y will give you here 5 by 5. That will give you 1. And this will give you 21. Minus 6 will give you how much? 5. 15 by 5. This will give you 1. This will give you 3. So, P X comma Y is 1 comma 3. So, your answer is this one. So, this even you can get for MCQ or even for the 2-mark question.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points. So, here trisection means, suppose bisection means we know, suppose this is my given point. If you cut here, this is called bisection, cutting into two equal parts. Suppose if you are having the same thing like this and you are cutting 3 equal parts, that is called trisection. So, let us just do this. We take a trisection, taken a line segment. Line segment is being taken here, and this one I call A and B. So, A is given for me 4 comma minus 1. B is minus 2 comma minus 3. Like the trisection I am doing at P and Q, we can call it as A, B, C, D, or simply also we can just leave the things. Now, this is 1, 1, 1. Now, I will take AP is to PB will be what for me? AP is how much? So, if you see here, AP is 1. And what about P to B? P to B is 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 we got here. So we just go with that. AP is 1 and PB is 2. PB is 1 plus 1. So this is what? Nothing but M1 is to M2, which is 1 is to 2. So we know the formula, and before that we can apply. A is nothing but, so we can put here only. Here for me A is, if I take x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So apply the formula here. So formula for P, I just taken AB, apply m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Similarly, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Just apply. What will be your P? m1 is how much? 1. x2 is minus 2 plus m2 is 2. x1 is what? 4. And this is 1 plus 2. Similarly, m1 again 1. y2 is minus 3 plus 2. y1 is minus 1. And here this is 1 plus 2. So what will be the P? So P is minus 2 plus 8 by 3, and this is minus 3 minus 2 by 3. So just simplify. On simplifying we get the answer. The value of P, this is 6 by 3, this is minus 5 by 3, 3 2s are. So P is nothing but 2 comma minus 5 by 3. So value of P we got 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Now we have to find the value of Q. We apply in the same way, just M1 and M2 changes here. I take from here to here, A to Q and Q to B. So what will be this will be giving me? So we just change here. So here you want A to Q is to Q to B. A to Q is 1 plus 1, 2. This is 1. So this is M1 is to M2. Rest will be going in the same way and we follow. So what is Q? You can't, if you want, you can put C and D. So this is M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2 M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. What will be Q? Apply. What is M1? M1 here is 2 and x2 minus 2. M2 here is 1. x1 is 4. Once again this is 2 plus 1. What about here? M1 2. y2 is minus 3 plus 1. y1 is minus 1. This is again 2 plus 1. So Q is minus 4 plus 4 by 3 and this is minus 6 minus 1 by 3. So we just solve and we see what we are going to get here. So this much. Simplify. Q will be minus 4 plus 4, 0 by 3 minus 7 by 3. So value of Q is 0 minus 7 by 3. So finally you can say therefore the points are 2 comma minus 5 by 3 and 0 comma minus 7 by 3. That's all, and this is one of the important sum also and easy to do.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
This is important question usually asked. So you are going to find the ratio here. All the 3 points are given. That means what all are given. So here the line segment is given according to the question. So find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points. So line segment, suppose this is A and B. These two are the line segment, minus 3, 10 and this is 6 and minus 8 joining the points, these two, and this is divided by some point P, which is also given. We have to find the ratio. M1 and M2 is what is our requirement. So this is X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So let us take, let M1 is 2, M2 be equal to K is to 1. Some constant, it will be easy to do the particular sum. So we write the formula. Let us put the formula here, it will be easy. P, XY. But here P, XY, let us just take the formula directly. M1, X2 plus M2, X1 divided by M1 plus M2. And this is M1, Y2 plus M2, Y1 divided by M1 plus M2. The value of P, we know it is given minus 1, 6. Write it. M1 is K. So, in place of M1, put K. X2 is how much? 6. Plus M2 is 1 and X1 is minus 3. And here we write K plus 1. Again M1K, Y2 is minus 8 plus 1 and Y1 is 10. Divided by K plus 1. Let us just simplify this further. This is 6K minus 3 by K plus 1 minus 8K plus 10 divided by K plus 1. Just equate the values of X and Y here. That's it. We get the values. So, how do we do this? So, this is what we have. So, value of X. This is minus 1 is equal to 6K minus 3 by K plus 1, value of X equating, and value of Y minus 8K plus 10 by K plus 1. That's all. We just find the value of this here. Pick the first one, gives you minus 1 is equal to 6K minus 3 by K plus 1. Minus 1 into K plus 1 will give you 6K minus 3 minus K minus 1, 6K minus 3, taken K here, 3 here, 3 minus 2, 6K plus K, 1 is equal to 7K, implies K is 1 by 7. Even we can check the same with the other one also. So what we will get? 3 minus 1, this is not 2, okay. This is 3 minus 1, so this is 2. 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Now let us check with the other one what we will get. Taken this 6 into K plus 1 minus 8K plus 10, 6K plus 6 minus 8K plus 10. 8K plus 6K, this is 10 minus 6. This will give me 14K is equal to 6. 14K is equal to 4 we are going to get. Now, K will be 4 by 14. 2 by 7. So, value of K, we can confirm 2 by 7 in both the cases. So, what is M1 is to M2 we have? M1 is to M2 is K is to 1. So, that means M1 by M2, suppose if I take K, I can call M1 is to M2 is nothing but 2 by 7. Hence, your ratio M1 is to M2 is 2 is to 7.
Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any particular sum to be solved, put it in the comment box. I try to make a video on that.